Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace a bicycle fork, front fork. Okay, first step, use a big wrench to untighten the top O-ring of the stem. The stem we have to disassemble first. So, untighten it first by a big branch, and then you can go and untighten a little bit of the stem screw. The stem screw is a center screw which is going through the fork until it's tightened in the downside of the fork. If you untightened the main screw for approach, I think 3 centimeters, that will be enough. You have to smash with a rubber hammer on top a little bit to loosen the stem a little bit. Good job, that is enough. Now you can extract the stem after you removed the center screw, the stem screw, of course. So if everything is untightened, you can remove the stem of the fork. As you can see, it works easily, but it's a little bit tricky because of old parts, okay? But job's done. First step completed. Okay, now it's time to remove the other O-rings of this. As you can see, it's easily to remove them now. If the O-rings are tightened so strong, use a big tool to disassemble them. But take care, if you are losing the downside, you have to support the forge at the downside, of course. If you removed every O-ring of this construction, there will be 2 ball bearings, one on the upper side and one on a downside of the fork. Take care that these 2 ball bearings are not getting damaged by you. Use a little bit of fat because the ball bearings are so sensitive, really. But as you can see, it works easily. Now you can extract or remove. Oh, good job, easy going. And as you can see on the downside, there is a ball bearing, and at the frame there is another ball bearing. Let's reassemble all these parts. First step, install the ball bearings and lubricate them a little bit by using a little bit of fat. That's nice. This is a hard fat for this. It is ball bearing lubricant, and this is important to make a smooth movement of the fork system. So the downside, do the same and clean it and reassemble it. Let's go to the next step. Assemble or reassemble the new or the refurbished bicycle parts like the fork. Push it from the downside up to the upper side, and then use the O-rings to tighten the bicycle fork. First, the first O-ring, after this use the second and third, and as you can see, the movement is back of the fork. Make a little check up and then tighten the main O-ring. At some bicycle fork systems, you do not have to smash. First, every time, try to pull the stem out of the fork. So, but in this case, it has to be smashed out, okay? So now the next O-rings, we have to assemble them back in position. And now it's time for the stem. Clean the stem and push the stem back in position and do the stem in a right decision in one line, and then you have to reassemble the stem screw by rotating it right turn until it's tightened enough. Good job, easy going. Then you have to tighten all O-rings again a little bit, check them, and then you can go back on the street again. After this, you have to reinstall all other parts like the wheels, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.